Hey guys, so it's Giselle from Slime101 on Instagram, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some clear slime. I'm going to show you my favorite recipe that I like to use, and then I'm also going to be showing you how to make some Floam with the slime that we already made. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So what you're going to need for this is some clear Elmer's glue and some borax, and then things that are optional are like colorants and scents, Floam beads, and detergent. I will explain about the detergent later. So I'm just gonna start with my clear glue. Put it in the bowl. But if you are, I like to use detergent. This is Dreft baby laundry detergent, which this slime isn't for my sister because I'm adding borax, but this is the only detergent we have right now. But I like to add detergent to this, just a little bit, because it gives it a really nice, it makes it really clicky, and I feel like the detergent, like, it makes it stay good longer. But this is optional, and if you want to keep it clear, which I'm going to be coloring mine because I'm making Floam, but if you want to keep it clear, then I would recommend using the Tide Free and Gentle detergent, and then detergent is optional. I just feel like it makes the slime better. If you do use Dreft though, it will give it a slight yellowish tint, but what I like to do is I like to add just a little bit, and then I go in with the borax afterwards. And to make sure that you don't overactivate the clear slime, you just add little bits of borax at a time. In my borax recipe, I use a cup of hot water and then 1 teaspoon of borax. But you just add the borax in slowly and mix a lot. And with clear slime, you always want to make sure that you have a clean bowl and a clean area that you're working with, because anything that gets in the slime, once it clears, it will be very visible. And also the reason why it's white is because when you mix up clear slime, it gets air bubbles in it and starts to turn white. But if you leave it in an airtight container, then it will clear up very soon, within a couple days. I like to go in with my hands and then stretch it a little bit once it kind of starts forming slime, so that you can kind of just work with it so that you make sure that you don't overactivate it. But make sure to keep one hand that doesn't have stuff on it so that you can add borax. this point, when your slime is still kind of a little bit sticky, I recommend going to wash out your bowl and wash your hands and leave the slime on a clean surface while you wash your bowl and your hands, and when you come back, your slime should be less sticky. So I'm back with a clean bowl, and this is my slime. And yes, I did overactivate it because when your slime sits for like 5 to 7 days without touching it, it gets kind of tacky, so I like to overactivate it, that it's the perfect texture, and that when it's clear, I don't have to go back in and add borax, and then it becomes like this again. So, yeah. The fastest way for it to clear is if you put it in a really long and wide container, because the thinner it is, the faster it'll clear up. Like the thinner it sits in the container, the faster it will clear up. So this is slime that I made the other day with the Dreft laundry detergent. As you can see, it kind of has a yellow tint to it, and also this purplish bluish tint. That comes from the laundry detergent. But I do like to dye these, that's why it doesn't really matter to me. And it becomes really clicky and really thick and nice with the detergent. So this is the slime that I made the other day with the Dreft. When you take little pieces out, it is clear and it doesn't have that yellowish tint. But when you put it all together, it kind of does have a yellowish tint. So it just kind of depends. So now I'm gonna make some blue Floam with some purple beads. So I'm just gonna use some blue food dye. This one is really diluted food dye, by the way, just because I feel like it gives it a really nice color because it's diluted. But normal food dye works too. And this also washes out of hands really easily, so that's why I like to use this one. This food dye, by the way, this diluted one, it came in a slime kit, so just by the way. And yes, I am aware there are a couple green beads in this, which is fine with me. So this is how the slime turned out, and the beads, I got them from Amazon. And yes, there are some orange and green beads. They got mixed in with this one. So yeah. And for Floam, you pretty much just need a tacky clear base or a white glue base. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below for a white glue Floam tutorial. But yeah, this is a clear glue one. And it will clear up in a couple days and make a really pretty color, so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And click the little bell thingy if you want to know when I post a YouTube video. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!